Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 21st March 2026. America is contemplating reducing its military presence in the Middle East. President Donald Trump said on Friday that the United States was considering winding down military operations against Iran but was not seeking a ceasefire with the Islamic Republic. Iran asserts it has inflicted a significant setback on adversaries. Meanwhile, escalating attacks impact energy infrastructure and global markets. The conflict involving strikes and retaliations continues to destabilize the region. International attention is drawn to the unfolding events and their potential consequences. India's largest private sector lender, HDFC Bank, has said it has taken remedial steps including personnel changes after identifying gaps in client onboarding at its Dubai International Financial Centre branch or DIFC branch, as it faces regulatory scrutiny over its overseas operations. The bank has said it has conducted a detailed and objective review of the matter. Thomas Cook India is demerging its resorts and resort management business into Sterling Holiday Resorts Limited. This move will streamline the company's capital structure and boost earnings per share for Thomas Cook India shareholders. Sterling Holiday Resorts will be listed on the BSE and NSE. This demerger unlocks value and allows Sterling Holiday Resorts to grow in the hospitality sector. New income tax rules are now in effect from April 1st. These rules offer relief to taxpayers with increased house rent allowance limits in major cities. Employer-provided benefits like food coupons and cars are also expanded. Stricter disclosure requirements are introduced for businesses and professionals. Auditors and companies face greater responsibility in this compliance-driven regime. Demand for super luxury cars in the Indian market is expected to remain stable in the ongoing calendar year despite the West Asia crisis on back of sales to a newer generation of customers, improvement in infrastructure and stable government policies, Italian luxury car maker Lamborghini's CEO said. Lamborghini anticipates stable super luxury car sales in India this year. However, the company will not gain from the India-European Union Free Trade Agreement. This is because the pact currently excludes plug-in hybrid vehicles, which are central to Lamborghini's offerings. The company remains optimistic about future growth in the Indian market. In Bengaluru, hacker houses like the Residency are turning into live-in labs where young developers build AI startups while living together. Backed by active VC interest, these spaces and evolving hackathons are shaping a new generation of full-stack builders focused on real-world products, experimentation, and launching ideas into businesses. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.